In a serene valley, bordered by towering mountains, lived a revered Zen master named Master Hoshin. People from far and wide sought his wisdom, drawn by his serene presence and profound teachings on the ways of inner peace and enlightenment. One radiant morning, Master Hoshin decided to impart a significant lesson to his students. Gathered beneath the ancient maple tree, the students eagerly awaited their master's guidance. Master Hoshin's soft voice resonated amidst the rustling leaves. "Always be silent in 5 situations," he began, his words echoing with profound significance. His students leaned in, their hearts eager to absorb the wisdom their master was about to impart. "Be silent," Master Hoshin continued, "when you have words of anger, for in silence, you'll prevent needless conflicts and foster harmony." His teachings delved deeper, illustrating the importance of silence in various situations. Anger. The first situation entailed refraining from speaking when overwhelmed by anger, preventing unnecessary disputes and fostering tranquility. Hurtful words. Master Hoshin emphasized being silent when tempted to speak. Hurtful words, as words uttered cannot be unsaid, and they hold the power to wound deeply. Gossip and rumors. In the third instance, he emphasized silence in the face of gossip or spreading rumors, for silence prevents the escalation of misunderstanding and preserves peace. Misunderstanding. Master Hoshin guided his students to maintain silence when faced with misunderstanding, allowing for clarity to surface without adding further confusion. Pride and ego. The final lesson was to practice silence in times of pride or ego, as silence tames the inner turmoil and fosters humility. Master Hoshin recounted a story, vividly illustrating the significance of these 5 silent situations. He narrated the tale of a young villager named Akiyo, who, driven by anger, engaged in a heated argument that escalated into a feud, dividing his community. However, one day, he embraced silence in the face of misunderstanding, choosing not to fuel the flames with his words. In that serene stillness, clarity emerged, mending the fracture within the village, uniting the hearts torn by discord. This story touched the hearts of Master Hoshin's students, embedding the wisdom of silence deep within their souls. They understood that silence, in these crucial moments, held immeasurable power to nurture peace, understanding, and unity. As the session concluded, the students departed, carrying with them the profound teachings of their revered master. They vowed to embody the wisdom of silence, knowing its transformative power in fostering harmony and understanding in their lives and the world around them. In the last, please click subscribe button